It's a 2020 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Italian flair and performance heartbeat of Alfa Romeo make your grocery runs more like grocery sprints. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the console, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Alfa Romeo, a history of success, victory, and innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.